Hey folks, welcome to another fresh, fabulous and outstanding video of our channel Cool Gadgets. So if you are visiting us first time, then don't forget to subscribe to us. In this video, we are presenting you top 5 amazing and very helpful car accessories which will free your some attention. To know about them, watch the full video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So let's start the video. First, Tesla 3.4 AMP. Elegant black and white color provides classy look unique car. Buzzer alarm automatically activates when the voltage drops below 11.8 watt or increases above 18 watt. Intelligent current sharing while charging two devices with intelligent chip inside. Current will get shared automatically while in use. LED display to show car display, battery, voltage and current. A useful product for charging two devices at a time, mobile phones, tablets and other electronic devices. Smart IC, overload, over voltage, over temperature, over current and short circuit protection. USB plastic core, high temperature plastic core made of iron and nickel. Second, Quartz car door. Car door anti-collision warning light product installation. Pre-installation product color, red product material, ABS magnet product packaging, color box product size about 20mm into 9mm. Product used to prevent the danger of suddenly opening the door. Products included 2 into car door anti-collision warning light explanation. Manual measurement may be different from 1 to 3 cm. When the door is turned on, it flashes rapidly, warning the rear to avoid the accident occurs. Wireless, just paste onto your car door easily. After 110 seconds lightning, it will be off automatically.
System
Third,
which is permanently installed in your vehicle.
VCAT
V1 is installed on your seatbelt and always stays within reach. It doesn't matter what the conditions are, a single pull will release you from the seatbelt. The integrated snap assist diamond glass breaker requires a gentle tug to shatter the tempered glass windows. Frick locking technology stays within reach. It doesn't matter what the conditions are, a single pull will release you from the seatbelt. The integrated snap assist diamond glass breaker requires a gentle tug to shatter the tempered glass windows. Frick locking technology helps to keep the device locked and secured in position to avoid involuntary use. VCAT V1 is made from high-quality materials and precision-cut components.
Fourth, window hammer. High performance and durability, a double-pointed hammer made of high-quality carbon steel and engineering plastics. This car hammer is very sharp and easy to break window to save lives. 2-in-1 emergency escape tool provided with glass hammer and seat belt cutter. Hard metal hammer used to quickly break the window. Sharp blade can easily cut through the seat belt. Plastic handle is more secure. In emergencies, importantly, safety escape tools can be given as gift to loved ones, friends, lovers, etc. to provide them with an extra security guarantee. Applicable people, long-term commuters, bus car drivers, taxi drivers, family car owners, police officers, medical staff, outdoor sports enthusiasts, and long-term bus drivers. Fifth, Jacko Smart Pro. Smart pressure technology simply preset the unit to target your PSI level, which will automatically shut off when reached. Inflates insert standard auto tires up to 45 PSI and bike tires up to 100 PSI. Precision built-in digital air gauge features, a bright LCD backlight display for nighttime use, measuring 0 to 100 PSI with precise accuracy of 1 PSI. Inflates air at an impressive rate of 250 L per minute. Heavy-duty woven 24 inches air hose features a unique twist connect nozzle, ensuring a hands-free, secure seal to the tire wall during inflation. Includes 2 adapters for sport balls, airbags, and inflatable built-in bright LED light. Features 4 settings of flashlight, flashing red, and emergency SOS.
If you like our video, don't forget to like, comment, share the video and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about our daily updates. Thank you.